I'm going to show you how to protect yourself online using Zoho Vault, a new password manager, and we'll go into the details starting now. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about cybersecurity and anything related to protecting yourself online, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Alright, so Zoho Vault out of the box, it comes with a lot of great features. I do think it focuses more on small business needs more than individual needs, but that's not really a big deal. It still covers a lot of security items that we need to go over. And then also too quickly here, I wanted to go through the pricing. As you can see, they have a free forever plan as of making this video. So if you're looking for a free solution, this might be the one for you. But I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you how to create an account and how to get the ball rolling. So to create your free account, to get started, all you have to do is go to the home page and then just enter your details here. In this case, that's what I'm going to do. Create your account, agree to the terms and conditions, and sign up for free. Okay, once our account is created, we'll see this page. Does your organization have an account with Zoho Vault already? We're not part of an organization. This is for an individual need, so we're going to hit no. And as you can see here, we're going to create basically a organization account so that we can manage everything. And if we do decide to share our passwords with other accounts and things like that, we can then manage that. So that's the whole point of this. So I'm going to go and fill this out quickly, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, once you've signed up, you should see a page similar to this, and what you can do is you can optionally start entering your passwords manually, or what you can do is you can import your passwords. I'm going to do the latter. I think that's probably the easiest, so I'm going to do that now. In my instance, it's from Google Chrome, so I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to check the box that says mark all imported passwords as personal. As you can see, passwords being imported have, okay, so there's some duplicates in here. Let's add them. No, let's overwrite them. We don't really need to have duplicate content in here. All right, and just like that, you can see 657 passwords are imported successfully. Now that you have your passwords in here, let's make sure and select the folders tab, and let's spend a few minutes on this tab. Let's organize our passwords into maybe some folders, just try to add some hierarchy, or try to add some organization so that if we do need to come here and look for a specific password or username, we can go in here and easily do that. The audit tab here is a really great tool if you have people who are using your passwords, if you have like an organization or you have a team. What you can go in here and you can kind of use this audit tool to kind of look at the last few items that were done. It's kind of like a log of every event that was happened. So definitely a nice little tool if you have teams, but really for individuals, there really isn't too much need here unless you're worried that someone's already in here and kind of using your information. Now, one of the best ways to utilize Zoho Vault is to download the Google Chrome extension, or if you're using a different browser, try to find the Zoho Vault extension for your specific browser. But in this case, since I'm using Chrome, I'll show you that example. So I'm going to go to the Chrome store and I'm going to type in Zoho Vault, and I'm just going to search for that. And as you can see right here, Zoho Vault pops up. I'm going to download this, and what it's going to do is it's going to allow me to connect the password manager, Zoho Vault, with Google Chrome. So if I'm browsing the web and I decide that I want to log into, say, Twitter, for example, it should auto-populate my username and password, and then I should be able to get in with, one or two clicks. Okay, once the extension is downloaded, I'm going to go up here and click this button, and I'm going to click Accept. And we are set to rock and roll. Now I just have to log back in, and I think we're set. And yep, as you can see right here now, I just put in my password and I can see all of my passwords right here. I've got my folders. I can generate passwords if I need to right on the fly. This pretty much has everything I need in terms of password manager. All right, and that is Zoho Vault. As you can see, it's really easy to use. It's really easy to set up. It doesn't have that many great features, no amazing bells and whistles over the top, but it does a good job protecting your personal data. It does a good job recommending strong passwords for you. And overall, I think it's just a great tool to upgrade your security for free. Now, that being said, I think there are better password managers out there. I think this one is all right. I'll leave a link in the description here, so make sure and check that out so you can check out this password manager. And then also, too, I'll leave a link for some of the other password managers I really believe in. So hopefully you found this video, and if you liked it, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe.